The Dewalt 20V MAX Handheld Vacuum stands out with its compatibility with Dewalt 20V MAX and 60V Flex lithium-ion batteries, making it a versatile choice for those already invested in the Dewalt ecosystem. Offering remarkable suction power at 100 air watts, this vacuum efficiently tackles even the most stubborn dirt and debris, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Equipped with 3 dynamic attachments, this vacuum easily adapts to various cleaning scenarios, whether it is for tight corners, delicate surfaces, or expansive floors. The inclusion of a washable HEPA filter not only extends the filter's life, but also provides a sustainable cleaning solution by eliminating the need for frequent replacements. Despite its powerful performance, this vacuum remains lightweight at only 3.9 pounds, enhancing its portability and ease of use across different cleaning tasks. With dimensions of 18.5 by 7 by 7.8 inches, this vacuum maintains a compact form, making it easy to store without sacrificing cleaning performance.